Good morning, everyone. This is Rigo, your amigo. Today I'll be putting sound deadening paper on my truck. I just took out all the carpet, the bench sheet, door panels. Right now I'm just gonna, it's pretty easy to take off. Pretty much it has 4 bolts on each corner, and just take out the bench seat. Carpet is very easy to take off once you take off all the window sills and everything. Since I don't have any alcohol, I'm gonna use some hand sanitizer to wipe it off clean, and then put on my sound deadening mats. Okay, there's my bench seat, which I'm gonna get completely reupholstered. Alright, so look guys, so I'm just gonna show you a couple of how I put on a couple strips and just go from there. Gotta make sure it's clean and dry. Otherwise it won't stick as good. Kill mat for 50 square feet for about 80 bucks, and got this roller for about $8.99. Got them together from Amazon. Hopefully I'll be able to put it on. It should be. So we'll see. Pretty much empty. Just trying to it looks like I already had something right here to make it not be as loud. I was gonna take it off, but I'll just leave it as is. So that's one. Only 50 more to go. Okay. See you later, guys. I'll show you after how it looks like. Okay. Rigo, your amigo. Have a great day.